Hello and welcome to this What is New session. My name is Rasmus Holt Jensen, and today we'll be looking into the B1 Usability Package 3.9.2 and the most important features. This release is a minor release, but with one exception, and that is we have a new B1 Productivity Package module called B1 Budget. B1 Budget is a way to extend the budget capabilities of Business One. In Business One you have for the GL accounts, and the B1 budget will give you the option to make budgets based on business partners and business partner groups, items and item groups. You will even further be able to do it on the specific sales employees, the projects and the profit centers if you want to. So a quick guide would be that you set up your budgets, then you enter some data on them down here. You can do that for the entire year and then break it down into each of the months. And once everything is in the data, then you can do the budget reporting. That will work with crystal reports, and we will be showing also additional ways of showing reports of the budget data. Next we have the SQL report that was a universal function, and what it can do is it had a select data target system, but that only worked on sales and purchase documents. And it didn't work on other add-on windows because it determined that every time we added a new line, it would automatically have a new empty line as well. So this release will be able to say that now you can select data back to the invoice template for recurring invoices. So you can make your SQL report and select a single line back. Final thing I will mention for this release is that we have fixed the problem with the direct email and document printing. This is related to B1 print and delivery, and when you have a reporting action of type email and you put in a direct email, you could use the SQL colon sentence in order to determine what email it should be. That could, for example, if you had the email on the address, you could type in some SQL finding the email related to the address selected on the document. That worked pretty fine, but we found out that if you use document printing as well for the same, it would have a problem reading that SQL and transforming it into email, and that is what's been fixed now. So you can do one configuration in order to do both the document printing and the direct of your documents. So in order to get the new release, it is as always www.boyum-it.com/CPO, where we'll also be able to see the entire version history of the release. Also a reminder is that this is the second to last usability package version that is expected to work with SAP Business One 2007. Next month will be the final version, unless major bugs arise, and then in December there will not be a release, there will be a beta release of 4.0, which will be released at the mid-January next year. So hope you will participate in the beta when we go along for that. This concludes this session. For training material, please go to service.boyum-it.com/education. Or if you want a free demo of the product, go to license.boyum-it.com/B1UP. If you want to contact us, you can do it either by our sales email or our support email. Thank you for attending.